I've been thinking about this a lot, and I'm not sure how to do it or what is the right way, but this is what I've come up with. I'm leveraging my privilege of having this platform to have a conversation with you about what's happening in our country today. And I hope by having this conversation with you, it will spark a conversation within you. One of the questions that I've been asking or reflecting upon is, what are my privileges and how I got them? So honoring what my ancestors have done to allow me to be here today, but also recognizing what other heroes have done and the rights that they have fought for me as an Asian American female in living in 2020. It has also led me to ask, why do other people not have these same privileges? So I do think the first step is recognizing your own privilege, understanding how you have them, and then asking, why do other people not have them? I think that's the journey I'm on right now. Another way that I've been trying to make sense of what's going on in our country is by engaging in a conversation with my partner about the documentary 13th. And it's been really sad, but I'm also scared and ashamed that this is the state of our reality. It is very overwhelming to think about everything that is wrong, but I also recognize that hiding under my rock is not going to help solve any issues. So I'm recognizing that I must do something. And I hope that you can join me in this conversation by sharing and educating and learning more about what is going on to help move the Black Lives Matter movement forward. And on that note, these are two things I'm asking of you. One is to leverage your social platform and have this discussion. And that discussion can look very different from the one I just had with you, because your journey and how you're processing what's going on is going to be different. And I think as we, as a community, share and have an open discourse about what is happening, it will hopefully help we can work things out together. And secondly, I ask you to donate to Black Lives Matter organizations to enter into my plant giveaway. You can find all the details in the description below. Please share this video. Let's stand together.